Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Shopify with Amazon. In order to do that, head over right here to your apps. Search in here for Amazon, or you can just head over right here to your all recommended apps. Scroll down and click on the Shopify App Store, and then from in there you can see the Shopify App Store from in here. Click in here on your search bar and search in here for Amazon. From in here you should be able to see your Amazon right here. So we have in this Amazon Integration Plus. Head over and click on that, and then you can head over and then click on this install right here. As you can see, they have a free plan available, and the developer is Biz. It's actually free to install, and you can get 50 orders per month if you want. Click on this installation right here, and then this will prompt Shopify to ask you if you still want to install this product. So head over and then just wait for this, and then once it's loaded, just head over and then click on the install button that you should be able to see just around here. Click on install, and then from in here just wait it out. So once you have successfully installed this will prompt you to log into your Amazon account in order to connect the two together. So that's how you connect Shopify with Amazon. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.